Welcome to Borders Place, the newest Miranda Homes community in the Pataskala area featuring beautiful, brand new single-family homes in the Licking High School District. I'm Dawn, and I'm so excited to show you this incredible community, our stunning home designs, and everything the Pataskala area has to offer. Let's get started. Borders Place is truly beautiful. Every home comes with a concrete driveway, adding to the community's impressive curb appeal. Surrounded by wooded conservation areas and a sparkling pond, many homes offer private backyards with no back-to-back neighbors. Imagine hosting summer holidays on your patio or letting the kids play in your spacious backyard. And in the evenings, you can meet up with a neighbor and take your pup for a walk on the sidewalk-lined streets. Beyond loving your community, you'll love your home too. At Borders Place, we offer a variety of traditional two-story home designs, some with first-floor bedroom options, perfect for multi-generational living. Finding the right home with the space that you need has never been easier. From the outside in, your home is designed to reflect your personal style. Every home includes standard 9-foot ceilings on the first floor, 42-inch cabinets, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and stainless steel appliances. You can even add a spacious kitchen island or our signature sunroom to make your kitchen and living area truly the heart of your home. Our floor plans range from 3 to 6 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms. Primary suites feature walk-in closets and enough space to add a king-size bed. In your ensuite bathroom, you'll enjoy a walk-in shower, dual vanity sinks, and the option to add a soak-in tub to add a touch of luxury. With open concept layouts, you'll also enjoy flexible spaces that adapt to your personal lifestyle, whether it's a home office, a playroom, or a media loft. And unlike any other community in Pataskala, Borders Place offers finished basements, the perfect space for family, movie nights, or game days. In your free time, enjoy Blacklick Woods Metro Park, home to a variety of community events and family-friendly activities. In addition to its parks and trails, Borders Place is a short 20-minute drive to downtown Columbus and offers easy access to plenty of nearby shopping, dining, and entertainment. With year-round festivals, outdoor recreation, and abundant shopping just around the corner, Pataskala is the perfect blend of small-town charm and modern convenience. Are you envisioning your life here at Borders Place? Take the next step and schedule your visit today. I can't wait to welcome you home.